Given question, write roster form, set, this is set builder form. Okay, but conditions what given? 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 4. Means n value is what here? N equal to what? 1, 2, 3, 4. N value is what? 1 to 4. 1 less than or equal to means starting is 1 and less than or equal to 4. So equal to 4. So write 4 also. 1, 2, 3, 4. So n equal to 1. Then condition what? Given question what? N by n square plus 1. So 1 by 1 square plus 1, that equal to 1 by 1 plus 1, 1 by 2. Second one, n equal to 2. 2 by 2 square plus 1. N value what? 2. So 2 by 2 square means 4 plus 1. 2 by 5. N equal to 3. 3 by 3 square plus 1. 3 by 9 plus 1. That equal to 3 by 10. N equal to 4. 4 by 4 square plus 1. That equal to 4 by 16 plus 1. So 4 by 17. So these all values write in roster form. A equal to 1 by 2 and 2 by 5 and 3 by 10, 4 by 17. This is this question roster form. Suppose like this asking, write in set builder form. This value is write in x such that x equal to n by n square plus 1. N belongs to n. Condition what? Value is 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 4 or less than 5 also write. No problem. Okay? Write down.